watching. I'm Ansh, back from Ansh Goes to School Studios, and today we're going to make a game on MakeCode Arcade. I'm going to decide to make the game Save the Galaxy in 3, 2, 1. So, I see that I've already gotten through a bit of this, so I'm just going to restart from the beginning. Restart. Okay, introduction. Some of the satellites in the Azure space program have mysteriously gone offline and they need to be updated. In order to help, you must be the direct line of sight so you can transmit data to fix them. Before any of that, you must code the program that will let you save the galaxy. Giving space. Set a background to make your project beautiful. So, as it says here from the scene category, which I've just clicked, drag set background image to empty into the empty on start container already, which is in the workspace. And now let's quickly get to the background image. Let's click gallery, and it's showing us here, and we need to choose this background, which lucky for us, it's on the first page or whatever. Anyway, done. Next, let's see. Do we see it? Yes, we do see it. Now let's move it. We'll take the scroll background with VX -50 and VY -50, and we'll put it just below set background image to this beautiful space looking color. Now, to keep the background from scrolling sideways as it's doing here, change the VX to 0. And then, to set a nice slow pace, we'll set VY to 10. Now, let's get our sprite, which is a ship. So from sprites, we'll set my ship to sprite of kind player, and we'll put it in the end of the onStart container. And then we'll go to gallery and see that we have some ships here. We have a lot of different ships that we can choose from. This one is a satellite. There's a normal rocket, there's a UFO over here, and there's a blue rocket. This is stealth. Anywho, we're just going to click for normal rocket, then choose done. We're going to go to the next one. Now, time to fly. From controller, drag, move my ship with buttons, plus and to the end of the onStart container. After that, let's give it a try. So, now let's just give it a try. Up, down, and around. To the left. Oh no, it's gone off the screen. There it is. Hey, where are you going? Up and down. Nice. Let's move to the next. Uh-oh, the ship moves off the screen and it disappears. So, let's set my ship to stay in screen on, and then to the end of this onStart container as it says here. Now, let's see. We don't want to waste so much time here, so we'll quickly just try it out. And, okay, it does not go off the screen, so that's good. Success! Now we've completed the first stage. We'll go to the next stage, which I've seemed to already completed. Anyway, I'll restart. The communication is the key. So, the workspace already has the code for our flying ship that we have created. Time for action! Let's launch projectiles when the A button is pressed. On button A pressed. and then put it into an empty place. It seems to already have our code which we need and our little Pew 101. Yep, 101 thing, image. I don't know what to say. But if I press A here, look, we can shoot it. Add the satellites. From game on game update. 200 milliseconds. Just if you don't know, 2000 milliseconds. Made a mistake. Anyway, 2000 milliseconds is actually just 2 seconds. So we'll go back to gallery and we'll choose a satellite. You can choose other things here for your satellite, but we're just going to keep it normal. So I'll just keep it normal with the normal satellite. So every 2 seconds the satellite should fall from the sky at a random location. Now, since we need to make sure the information is received, we'll do on sprites, drag the on sprite of kind projectile overlaps the other one. So we'll get it over here, and then now if we shoot a satellite, it adds 1. So we'll make it upload and fly away. We'll just get this, put it in the end. Now it's saying that we from sprites, drag the set other sprite velocity to 30, negative 30, Vx and negative 30 Vy. Oops. Why is this lagging? Okay, we'll just put this in, and then it's here. Nice. There seems like to be a problem, but now there's no problem. Now, if I just press A, then it's saying uploading. Nice. Congratulations. Now let's move on to the next one. Here comes trouble. Seems like we also have to restart that one. And intergalactic travel can be dangerous. Game update every 300 milliseconds. We'll just put it here. Set a rock to this good rock. We'll just check if that's correct, and it is. Now we'll just get the collision image. So on sprite of kind enemy, other overlaps other sprite of kind player, destroy others. So we'll add some drama. Camera shake 4 pixels for 500 milliseconds, and then to the top. So we'll press this plus button and destroy sprite with We'll find something. Maybe we might find something cool. As it says here, how about maybe ashes? Okay, it's saying ashes. Since we can't find ashes, we're just going to use fire. And then we'll keep it to 100 milliseconds. Add a mission. So, our mission is on score 20. We will win. Animate the game. We'll animate it quickly because I am getting out of time. Anyway, now we can animate our ship. We'll get the ship animation, and now there's different animating parts. We'll press done and go to the next part. Try your activity. See the little sparks of fire there? Now, let's animate our other things. Now we'll animate our satellite. We'll move this on button A pressed just somewhere else. And then we'll change this to my satellite. Then if we go in gallery, we'll find the satellite one. And we will quickly also do the same with the rock or asteroid. We'll just move this here and get to gallery, choose it to my rock. And there's the animation showing my rock. Now I've done it. Congratulations, we finished Save the Galaxy. Woohoo! So now we have to get to 20. And we only have 3 lives to do it. We must get there quickly. Anyway, so now that that's finished, thank you for watching everyone. Subscribe and goodbye.